Full-size trucks. 11 in there. 11. Oh, big shot down at the end there. Look at that big old truck. Holy crap. That big blue truck out there. Holy crap. Whoa. That's the biggest truck I've ever seen at a derby. Oh, there goes the tire. Oh, that was his airbag. That dumbass didn't take his airbag out. What a fool. That dumbass didn't take his airbag out of his truck. Number 9. The airbag went off. What a dumbass. They make you take all that stuff out. Getting pretty smoky out here. Oh my god, it's getting really hard to breathe. Misfired like crazy. Big old piece of crap. It's like the newest truck out there, and it's like barely running. Here. Oh, that was pretty much a driver's door shot. Deflected off of him. No flag. Oh, what a shot. number 9's still in it. That's gotta be a diesel. Oh, there goes tire. 55, there it goes, just rolled right off. There goes the tube. Pretty good heat here. That's the first time I've ever seen exhaust come out of the back of the cab of the truck. You see that on the blue truck? Like a diesel truck, that's like my dad's. But he's got exhaust coming out the back piping. Usually they have it come straight out of the top of the engine. That's right, they let him do that. But yet again, he still has his airbag, so. It's hung up now. Asking for a little bit of help. Telling the guys to hit each other. That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Now they're throwing dirt at him. Now he finally gets unhooked and they called the time on him. That sucks. Oh man. Truck. Whoa! Wow! He's getting done now. Oh, his whole front clip is disattaching. Oh man, the whole front end's gonna fall off of that guy's poor truck. He just doesn't know it yet. Oh, that looks like the drivetrain got hung up on 55. Something went loose on his truck. Now he's hung up. He's bottomed out. Framed. That's how it's gonna end, probably right here. They're both done. Last one to make the hit, so I think it's 55 who makes the win. Ooh, that starter's gone. 27, you can't start. Couldn't hear it start. Here it go. Oh, it looks like we have one more truck class. And that was it. 55. Good finish, good race all around. I stuck number 55 won 27th. Travis Fischbacher. And then this is crazy, number 9. That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Exhaust coming out of the back. Bad build. Still is there, back.